Hello, my name is Gianna Saludo, and this is our plastics project from 2020. This project had to do with turning plastic water bottles into 3D printing filament, and this will go through a chronological time order of what we did throughout the entire semester. The project that we were working on this semester was a continuation of the single-use plastics on campus project from the previous semester. I was also a part of this group last semester, and I wanted to be able to continue the project. The project from last semester included taking plastic water bottles and turning them into something else. We decided that we wanted to create molds for the student shop to use. These plastic parts were used on the lathes, the band saws, or any of the other machines that are found in the student shop. We wanted to continue this project mainly because we wanted to take those plastic bottles and turn them into something even more useful for the shop, which would be 3D printing filament, which is used on a daily basis. Our goals for this semester were to create 3D printing filament out of plastic water bottles that we sourced from Boise State's campus. We did hit this goal on the head. We were able to collect a lot of plastics from Boise State's campus, but we also collected bottles from the knitting factory and other venues around Boise, and we also collected bottles from residential areas, having family members donate bottles to us so that we could use them for this project. We definitely wanted to create something useful for students on campus, mainly the engineering students who use the shop every single day, but also the Innovation Design Studio who also uses 3D printing filament, and we were taking something that was basically useless, those plastic water bottles that would be thrown away anyway, and turning them into something useful. So we were taking those bottles out of the waste stream and we were repurposing them as something that the campus could use as a whole. Other places where this was applicable was in the military, where they're using plastic bottles and creating 3D printing filament out of those plastic bottles for small things that they can use in their everyday life, and then it's not so much of a big deal if those things break because they can always replace them with more of that 3D printed recycled filament. Other universities, such as the University of British Columbia and UC Berkeley, are already trying to implement this on their campus by taking bottles, shredding them up, putting them through an extruder, and creating 3D printing filament out of it. So we hope to follow these two examples of the military and other universities and apply them at our university to make the project even stronger. Safety was one of our biggest concerns for this semester. Even though we did not have an extruder at the time, we were thinking of ways that we could be even safer while we were in the student shop and while dealing with our plastic. One of the best ways that we came up with was to wash all of our plastic at once. It was 1, more efficient, and 2, it was even safer for us to do by having a dishwasher do all of the hand cleaning for us because we did not know exactly what was on those bottles. This was a comprised list of what we had for cleaning our bottles based off of the dishwasher type, our washing options, and really what we wanted to come out of them. We did not want to worry about deformation of the bottles because we were going to deform them when they melted. And they would be deformed anyway in any type of extruder that we were looking at. These were our overall outcomes for the semester that we wanted to accomplish with our project. They did shift because of the COVID-19 outbreak. One of the big things that we wanted to do was to clean all of the bottles that we had on campus, and then hopefully accumulate more bottles over the summer. We were successful in that we were able to clean all of the bottles that we had on campus. At this time, every bottle that we have on campus has been cleaned with the previous method that we have shown. By being able to have all of the bottles clean, we can step it up next semester and just go straight into shredding those bottles so that they can be put into an extruder. Another one of our big outcomes for this semester was that we wanted to have the money to purchase an extruder. We were able to get a grant, so we should be able to purchase a used extruder so that we can start putting in that shredded plastic that we have from this semester into the extruder and see if we are able to create 3D printing filament from those plastic bottles. Thank you so much for your time.